Decoding Google Ads. Understanding the search term that matched your keyword. Google Ads can sometimes feel like its own language. One term that often causes confusion is the search term that matched your keyword. This phrase pops up in your search terms report, offering insights into what people actually search for that triggers your ads. Let's break down what this means and how to use it to your advantage. Why it's not an exact match. While it might seem counterintuitive, the search term that matches your keyword isn't necessarily an exact replica of your keyword. Here's why. Close variants. Google Ads may show you ads for similar versions of your keywords like plurals or misspellings. Broad match. This keyword match type lets your ads show for searches related to your keyword, even if those searches don't contain the exact words. Other signals. Google Ads considers factors beyond keywords like the searcher's location, search history, and the rest of your ad group when determining relevance. Harnessing the power of search terms report. The search term report is where the magic happens. Here's how to analyze it. Find relevant new keywords. Identify high-performing search terms and add them as negatives for more targeted control. Discover negative keywords. Spot irrelevant searches that drain your budget and add them as negative keywords. Refine ad copy and targeting. Use the insights from your report to write ads that resonate with actual search phrases and adjust your targeting accordingly. Pro tips. Start broad, get specific. Use broad match to initially gather data, then gradually refine targeting based on your search terms analysis. Use match type strategically. Choose the best keyword match type, phrase match or exact match for your goals and the level of control you need. Regular review is key. Don't set it and forget it. Review your search term reports regularly to optimize your campaigns continuously. The takeaway? The search term that matched your keyword report is a treasure trove of insights into real-world search behavior. By understanding how Google matches your ads to searches and analyzing your report, you'll improve your targeting, reduce wasted ad spend, and drive more conversions. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for joining in. Please like or subscribe for more videos like this one.